Hello students, let us see one problem which is asked by my student. The question is, which of the following statement about the colloids is false? Which of the following statement about the colloid is false? Okay, so let us see student, the first option. Freezing point of colloidal solution is lower than the true solution at the same concentration. It is not the lower, student, it is not the lower, is not correct. Okay, whatever the word here used is the lower. It can be the either higher, you can use the higher, it is okay, or equal, that is also okay. Freezing point of the freezing point diffraction, if you talk about now for the colloidal particle, what it will be, that is it will free because it's present in the aggregates na, so it will, what will be, it is the freeze, freezing point will be the higher, student, not the lower. Okay, freezing point will be higher, or it can be equal because the colloidal particle exists in the aggregate way, so they will freeze little higher than the the true solutions. So this is the absolutely the incorrect option. So they are asking the incorrect option, so there which of the following statement is false. So correct option is, this is the correct. Next one, there is colloidal particle can pass through ordinary filter. Okay, they do not pass, student. On ordinary filter colloidal particle cannot pass. Okay, but here they are using the ordinary filter. Ordinary means what, student? They didn't say that is the ordinary filter means which is example of. So example is not given for this filter, that is why this option is the violated. Okay, this option we cannot take. Okay, and next one, if you are saying that is when silver nitrate solution is added to potassium iodide. Okay, then saying a negatively charged colloidal particle will form. So that is okay, correct one. If you see that is potassium iodide is there, so on that, what is on potassium iodide, there will be the I minus will be adsorbed. So I minus will adsorb, that is colloidal nature will be the negatively. So this is the correct statement. Next, when excess of electrolyte is added to colloidal solution, colloidal particle will precipitate, that is also correct. Acha, now the one student are saying that is colloidal particle can pass through the ordinary filter paper. That is not, student. If they are saying parchment filter paper, or they are saying that is gall bladder is there, yeah, pig bladder is there, that type of filter paper they are saying, that is, that can be correct. But here ordinary filter paper, so we cannot say this one ki incorrect. That can be the correct. Ordinary filter paper, it can be passed, student, ordinary filter paper. But here if you are talking about that is freezing point of the colloidal solution is lower, that is absolutely wrong, student. That is the, it is the colloidal property, it will be higher than the solutions. So this is our wrong options. Thank you so much for watching, student. Our required answer is option number 1.